Welcome to the Lakeside campus, sir. I'm looking forward to understanding what is your takeaway from today's panel discussion as well as the other discussions that you had with the other CEOs today.
It's very well organized, and I have seen the kind of discussion that happened over various technologies, not just AI, and also some human virtues and values that young talent, the students of the university should nurture, such as adaptability, sustainability, ability to cooperate and collaborate with each other. Some of them are highlights of the Sustainable Developmental Goals of United Nations. So university is doing good, and I foresee that lot of green around, and it would also add other components such as medicine in addition to engineering, so that they do more research in those areas, in agriculture. I happen to meet some of the senior leaders, give my connects with the defense so that they can come and guide students further on IDEX and other opportunities like in DRDO, Technology Developmental Fund, and other areas where the university will get funds for their incubation, innovation, startup ecosystem. I myself a founder of a startup company. I work for Dhanwantari Drone Pilot Academy, and I welcome anyone to come and see how the drones can be flown.
Today there has been a discussion on skills, technology and the adaptability. So that's a very important and pertinent question today. What are the skills that you foresee that students are going to need in the future for them to shine in their chosen path?
Yeah, one thing is that when coding is not there, you depend on the tools. So next best thing would be to outperform the tool by thinking areas where the tool cannot perform, where there are certain human aspects which only humans can do better. So engineers have to now redefine their scope as engineers. They should be engineering the artificial intelligent machine itself rather than being a smart users. So common public can use AI, but engineering students have to use the tools to outperform them and take the best out of them, but not get bogged down by their infatuation and lose in the game, because a lot of jobs will be lost for those who are not mastering the large language models. Or even for engineering students, I recommend focus more on small language models, whereas large language models are for corporates. So this is some areas where they have to focus and then excel in this AI era.